Hey guys, it's James here. It's Friday, February 14th, before work. Yeah, it's supposed to rain tomorrow also. Make sure I got out today. Water's still up quite a bit. Not a lot, but still gravel under water. But anyway, I walked up on something finally. Let's check it out and see what we got. Show it to you the way I seen it. Yep. Yeah, that's definitely one. Oh yeah, there. Yeah, maybe a little bit up in here. Still a good point. Happy with that. Like, maybe. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, it's James. Still Friday, February 14th. I woke up on something else, I think. If it is, it's got the tip knocked off. But anyway, let's check it out. See what we got. I think it's something. Oh yeah, down point with the tip knocked off. Like an impact fracture there. Yep. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, still Friday, February 14th. I got something. I don't know. Let's check it out. Looks like it might be a base or something. Yeah, it might be a base to something. Focus. Square base. It's thin. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, still Friday, February 14th. Yeah, it looks like I walked up on a little killer. Let's check it out. See what we got. Yes, there he is. Rearranging. Oh yeah, that's cool. Sorry. Well, I'm not too far from the end, so hopefully I'll find something else. But if I don't, hope everybody had a good Valentine's Day. And go home and spend the rest of my day with my sweetheart. Love you, Mary. Happy Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, it's James. It's Tuesday, February 18th, I believe. Supposed to snow 6 to 12 inches or something. tomorrow, tonight, whatever. Anyway, I'm back out in the creek. I'm just about done. I think I walked up on something finally. Let's check it out. See what we've got. Nah, it's a real good faker. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Almost looks like a little dovetail. Ain't ground though. That are just chipped up from the creek. Anyway, I did see a skunk earlier, but I'm not going home skunked. Thanks for watching.